Pangolins are sometimes called scaly anteaters because their bodies are covered in protective keratin scales, the same material as human fingernails. They are the only mammals in the world completely covered in scales. When threatened, a pangolin curls into a tight ball, and its sharp scales act like armor, protecting it from predators such as lions, tigers, and leopards. There are 8 species of pangolins, 4 in Asia and 4 in Africa. They have no teeth. Instead, they use a long, sticky tongue, sometimes longer than their own body, to catch ants and termites. Pangolins can eat up to 70 million insects a year, making them important for controlling insect populations. Sadly, they are one of the most trafficked mammals in the world because of illegal demand for their scales and meat. Pangolins are nocturnal and shy, usually coming out at night to search for food. They play a big role in keeping ecosystems healthy by aerating the soil while digging for insects. The name pangolin comes from the Malay word pangolin, which means one who rolls up.